Hey everyone, this video is on the Cuisinart ICE 100. I picked this ice cream maker because I didn't want to mess with ice, and I also didn't want to mess with freezing a bowl. Those never work and they usually turn to slush. This thing is amazing. Notice the outside is stainless steel. It has a built-in compressor so it gets cold on its own, so you never need ice and you never need to wait. You just push the button and it'll start getting cold immediately. It also comes with a 1.5 quart aluminum churning chamber or bucket. You can see right here. It also comes with two paddles. One is for gelato and one is for ice cream, and of course a lid with an opening to add goodies such as Oreos to it. So you can see it looks really nice. Here's some quick ice cream. Watch how easy this is. I'm simply going to add 2.5 cups of heavy cream. After I put in the heavy cream, I'm just simply going to take some milk, and this right here is 1.5 cups of whole milk. And then you can see I only have 2 ingredients left. I'm simply going to put 1 cup of sugar, and I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Notice simple 4 ingredient ice cream, and you will not believe how good this tastes and how easy it is. You don't have to cook it, you don't have to heat it. All you have to do is mix it up really well with a whisk, as I'm doing here. Just mix it really good, and then that's it. You're going to have the base necessary to make some delicious vanilla ice cream. And notice it literally took me less than 1 minute to prepare this and get it ready. And now after I get it nice and mixed well, and the key again, mix it really well. As you can see here is I'm going to take the base, and what I'm going to do with the base after I get it all mixed up is I'm going to pour it into the container. And again, no messing with rock salt, no messing with freezing a bowl for 12 hours. This thing is ready to go. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to choose the ice cream paddle. Remember, there's a gelato paddle if you want to make gelato. That's more egg-based. It takes a little bit of cooking. But for basic ice cream, all you need to do is mix it and put in that ice cream paddle, just like this. And you can see right there, it says ice cream. They're marked on the side, so you know which is which. One's for ice cream, one's for gelato. After I put in the ice cream paddle, I'm simply going to take my base and I'm going to start filling up the container. So I'm going to start pouring it in just like that. And what you notice as you practice a few times is ice cream expands as it gets cold. So on the second paddle down, you can see there's a second paddle down. I'm not going to go above that second paddle. I'm actually going to stay below it about 1/4 to 1/2 inch below it to make up for the expansion that the ice cream will do as it starts to freeze. And that's it. That's so simple. All I'm going to do now is I'm going to come back and I'm going to put my lid on. It snaps in place just like that, and then I'm going to hit the power button. Once I press the power button, it's going to illuminate, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to set it for 60 minutes. That it doesn't take 60 minutes. It usually is done in about 30 to 35 minutes, but I'm just going to press 60 because that will give it plenty of time. Okay, so this thing has been going, and I'm going to let it go here for a little while, and then we'll come back and we'll check on it and see how it's doing. Okay, back again. It's been about 40 minutes now, and this is good enough. And you could go a little more if you wanted a little harder, but remember, you're going to freeze this. So these handy containers I got here are 1 quart. They're really heavy duty silicone container, nice and thick. The lid is nice and thick. I really love these. I'll put a link in case you want some. But right now, after 40 minutes, this is a delicious vanilla soft serve ice cream, kind of like you would get at Dairy Queen, but much better because it only has 4 ingredients and not a bunch of preservatives or chemicals. So all I'm going to do now is scoop it out. And again, this is soft serve. Most people really like soft serve, but after you put it in the freezer, it will actually turn into regular hard serve ice cream. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the paddle out, and you can clean between the paddles to make sure you get all of it. And notice right there, I'm trying to just get every little glass bit of it right there. And again, it's soft serve right now, but if you freeze it, it'll be nice and firm. Now, if you may have tried other ice cream makers and you try to freeze the ice cream, it's like cement. That is not the case with this. With this, you'll be able to scoop it out just like you would any ice cream you bought down at the grocery store. It comes out nice and easy with the scoop. It doesn't turn into cement like a lot of ice cream makers do. And I think it's because of the type of churning it does. I think it churns it and makes it where it's just like real ice cream. It is real ice cream when you go and scoop it out of the fridge or the freezer. I'm going to go ahead and put the lid on it now.
and this is ready to go into the freezer. But again, this is a 5-star product. I really like it. I haven't found anything bad about it. It does take up a little bit too much counter space, but that's great if you make a lot of ice cream. I'm going to go ahead and put a link in the reviews below. And one last thing, Cuisinart is top notch on their customer service. If you have a problem, they're not somebody that's not going to answer the phone. They're not going to try to email them and not get any responses. They'll get back with you if you ever have a problem. And this thing comes with a long warranty. The one I have here says it comes with a 3-year warranty. So check yours, but I think all of them, no matter where you purchase them, will include that nice long 3-year warranty if you ever did have a problem. Thank you for watching, and again, this is a great product and we really love it.